I'm standing here because here in Rosh Hanikra, usually the water can splash us. And we want it. I've been splashed by that like a minute ago, but I didn't take a video of it. Are you ready? It might happen in every minute. That one, is that the one? Hey! We want a big one. That's the border between Israel and Lebanon. The grottoes are amazing. It's lots of wind. Not so hot, but it's not cold. Wait with me, it's happening soon. Waiting for it to come. Maybe that's the wave. Not so big. You know that it will happen a minute after I will switch it off. That's why low. Maybe that's the one. Hey. Oh, whoa. All right, that was almost, but you got to match it because I'm wet. I'm not going to wait anymore, maybe for that. That's all. Come and visit us. Let's go.